Hello, hi once again. Mrs. Roshni this side from Majesty's Home. So I just brought today again 1 BHK flat for you guys. So hurry up, book your amount 21k and make your home. So now I am going to show you the video of a view of my floor. So I'm starting from the entrance. Please welcome. See the view of my drawing room. It's a living area. Just see the full ceiling you ever saw at the 1 BHK with the full ceiling plus LCD panel we have given in this. You just see it's a LCD panel, switch boards is already here, and this is a tiles which you already saw at the ground. It's very beautiful. So now I'll take you for the sofa area. This is a living area, and here you can put the sofas around 5 seaters, and 2 you can put the dummies over here. It looks very pretty. It's a very sober and decent home at the cost of yours only. I'll tell you the cost afterwards. First, I'll take you a second to my kitchen. So this is my kitchen where basically we are doing the fooding, we are making the food, and that's the most important part. See the area, there's a chimney over there. It's a branch chimney, and this is the area of the drawers. You can see it's very highly deeply inside. Now I can show the panels of the plates. See the sticks of the spoons you can able to keep inside here. This is the plate systems. Bowls over here. Here is having the tab over there. You can just open it and having the water fully. Totally open everything. We already put it over the spoon. So now guys, I can talk about the AC. We are already having the AC panel over here. You can put your AC also here. So now I am taking to my washroom area. Please come. You can see it's a very beautiful at the 1 BHK for the smallest family, and it's a very important to free from the rent and make your into my washroom area. Only in a 1 BHK we are providing the one washroom. So time is to see the washroom area. You can see it's already with the English pot. It's already a good area where you can take a easily bath. It's a switchboard. It's, to be honest, space is already ready to move, but there's some of the material has to be put it. So see the upper side, the shower is already here, bulb is already here. Even the taps is an automatic systems with we can able to convert it to the switch to this side, then the tap will be open. If you fold it to this side, the shower to be open. He's already wash basin is already here. English pot is already here. Here is a ventilation for the shafting, which is window is already available. Okay, and now I talk about next to now we are going to take you for the room, and that is for your bedding room where you can able to take your relax and sleep very easily. Now see your area of the bedroom. You can able to put the bed around very easily. It's a double bed, and you can see it's a very beautiful. It's not a wallpaper. It's only a blue paint. The full ceiling at the upstairs. See so much beautiful small bulbs are there. This is a shafting area we have already given to you. It's a window where the ventilations can come, and you will not feel like a suffocated. That is the most important thing. The person always says, so we are having one more door. It's a outside. You can see it's already the area of at the back side is already been stuck with the wall like this. The doors can be stuck like this, and I can tell we already have a one iron gate. Okay, this from the outsider you can see the back. Again taking to the living area of mine. So you can see the switchboard. How many switchboards we have been provide you in a one room? 1, 2, 3. Okay, there is already a AC power switch over there, and you can just see it's already the space where you can able to put the window AC. Now I am taking to again to my living room. So see the full ceiling is very beautiful. Even we are providing you the fans. You not to buy up, and it's a very big bumper offer. If you will buy a flat in a now before the Raksha Bandhan, we will give you one AC and LCD TV in this one. Now the time has came to tell you the cost of this. Only 21 for booking amount. It's only the cost of lesser than 15 lakhs. In this, free from rent. Rent is every month we are just giving the rent is a useless. Just go on. Yesterday I saw one movie. It's Truth and Dare. If you really love truth, so you can subscribe my channel. Meet your friends to just give it to forward. With your help, the person can able to make their home. And when you sit in the office, we can just be in a discussion with the rates of that. So only 21,000 guys. Just hurry up, book your flat, make your home and free from rent. 100% loan, we are just giving you the providations on this. Only 21,000K is the smallest price. Better to stay in our rent, better to ask for, even we are having the parking area. I can show you the parking area. It's little dirty because of the, you can understand there's a lot of the people who are staying in this building. Already building is sold. So only you can see it's a very good spacious space over there. You can put the car, you can even having the bike, you can keep your bike, even scooty is available place. Stairs is going for the upstairs. If you really want to take for another more than that, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, we are having the providation. We are a builders. We make our homes by the dreams of yours to complete out. Roshni is my name, but I really want to give you Roshni in your life to free from the rent and make your home. This is only my theme. This is only the platform I really want to show out. So free from rent, come and make your home to Majesty's Home Private Limited Company. We are companies from last 18 years. Even we are having the very good team with us who's always be supportive with you. Free from land, rent and just make your home. Thank you guys. Love you all. Thank you so much.